Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, today I am going to start the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. So, in this chapter, the story is about Albert Einstein. So, I just give you the chapter sketch, then about the characters, and as always, the summary of the chapter. So, students, the story recounts the life of an outstanding scientific personality, that is Albert Einstein, from his birth till his death. His theories totally changed our understanding of space and time. Though he was not successful in his family life, his scientific exploits won him the Nobel Prize from Physics in 1921. He was known as a visionary and also a world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Now I'll just go with the about the character. Albert Einstein, as you all know that he was a great genius and a peace activist, but was not a successful family man. His theories are being proven correct today. As you all know, I guess you all have gone through the relativity theory of physics. So the second character was Melba Merrick, his first wife and mother of his two sons. She was not. She lost interest in her intellectual ambition and also divorced him after 16 years of marriage. Now I'll go with the summary of the chapter. So the first is early life of Einstein. So student, as I when I'll read out the passage of the chapter, I will be explaining you that the whole chapter by reading the passage line by line. But before that, I'll just go with the summary of the chapter. So the first one is the early life of Einstein. So Albert Einstein was born to German parents on 14th March 1879 in Ulm. Ulm is a place in Germany. His mother thought that he was abnormal because because his head was too large compared to other children. He started speaking that also with difficulty. Only by the time he was 2.5 years old, he loved to play with mechanical toys and preferred to play alone, not with the other children. So other children, what other children thought that they started calling him a brother boring, means he never play with the other children. He wants to play alone and also wants to play with the mechanical toys only. So even his school headmaster was not at all happy with him, and once upon a time his headmaster called his father and told that Albert would never be successful whatever career he is going to choose it, as his head was too big, and also he is not interested in playing with other children. His mother made him learn how to play the violin at the age of 6 years. He later on became a talented amateur. Amateur means non-professional violinist. Now, the second one is education and married life of Einstein. So, when Einstein's parents shifted to Milan, Milan is also a place, they allowed him to continue school in Munich, but he left the high school there at the age of 15 years, and he felt uneasy with the strictness there. Means in Monash school, at the age of 15 years he was left that school, and he was there because, and why he had left the school, because of the uneasy and the strictness there. He was extraordinary in maths and interested in physics. His interest was in mathematics and physics, so he continued his studies at the university in Zurich. There he met a Serbian girl, that is Melba Merrick, who was also an intellectual. They fell in love and ultimately married after Albert found a job on finishing his university studies. But their family life was not happy, as having two sons. They finally divorced in 1919, that is after the marriage of 16 years. Now Einstein's special theory of relativity. So this is the main thing which you all have to understand, that Einstein finally secured a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Berlin, where he judged other people's invention. Side by side, he also continued developing his own ideas, but in a secret way. He published a special theory of relativity in 1905, according to which time and distance are not absolute, means not independent. And he also derived the world's most famous formula, that is describing the relationship between mass and energy, and that you all know that E is equal to mc square. अगर अभी आपने नहीं पढ़ा है फिजिक्स में, so very soon you are going to come to know what is theory of relativity. In 1915, Einstein published his general theory of relativity. The solar eclipse of the sun proved his theory as correct. He became famous as his work was considered a scientific revolution. So, for this, his other achievement, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. So, the last one is your Einstein works for peace and democracy. So, when the Nazis came to power in Germany, Einstein immigrated, but moved away to the USA. When the world scientists came to know that Germany had developed a nuclear fission, they became afraid that the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. So he was persuaded by a colleague to write to Franklin D. Roosevelt. That is at that time who was the president of USA, Franklin D. Roosevelt. So that this development could cause large scale devastation. So this made the Americans develop their own atomic bomb and use it against Japan near the end of the Second World War. So after seeing all this, Einstein was shocked by the extent of destruction caused by these bombs and wrote an open letter to the United Nations to stop the arms building up, forming a world government. And also he continued campaign that for an end to arms build up, and used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy during the next 10 years till his death in 1955. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. So in this way, I have explained you the summary of the chapter, what the chapter is have in this, what the it contains in this chapter, that is divided into 4 parts. I have divided the whole event into the 4 parts and have discussed with you all. So tomorrow I will be explaining you the this one, your paragraph wise explanation. After that, your question answers. So I will give you a quick review of the chapter once again, that Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. His mother thought him to be abnormal because of his large head, and during his childhood Albert did not play with other children, preferring mechanical toys instead. So during his school days he did well in studies, though not impressing his headmaster, and he became a gifted amateur violinist. So he left school at the age of 15 due to the strict regimentation, means discipline there of the strictness. He had left the school at the age of 15, and he shifted to Switzerland to continue his scientific studies at the University of Zurich. In the university, he fell in love with a fellow student, that is Melva Marek, a Serbian girl. After securing a job, he married Melva and they had 2 children. However, they gradually grew apart and divorced after 16 years of marriage. After graduating, Einstein found a stable job as a technical expert in the patent office in Berlin. There he continued his scientific experiments side by side. In 1905, he stated his special theory of relativity, which is related to the time and distance, giving rise to the well known, that is E is equal to mc square equation. In 1915, he published his general theory of relativity, which resulted in his being awarded a Nobel Prize for physics in 1921. Then I told you that when the Nazis gained political power in Germany in 1933, Einstein shifted to a USA, And when Germany developed nuclear fission, a colleague persuaded Einstein to write to the President of USA, Franklin Roosevelt, about the large-scale devastations a nuclear bomb could cause. This resulted in USA developing its own nuclear bomb and using them on Japan near the end of the war. So, shocked by the extent of the destruction caused by these bombs, Einstein wrote to the United Nations to stop the arms buildup by the forming a world government. And he has also used his popularity to camping for peace and democracy during the next 10 years till his death in 1955. He was also known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. So this is the whole chapter which includes. So tomorrow I will be explaining you the paragraph wise. Just if you have any query, you can ask from me. And thank you, students. Take care and bye bye.